Sinful Caesar sipped his sifter.
Sipped his snifter.
Sipped his snifter. Sinful Caesar sipped his snifter. Seized his knees and sneezed.
Marvelous. Marvelous.
Marvelous. Marvelous.
Marvelous. Oh, here's a good one. Chester chooses chestnuts, cheddar cheese with chili pie. He chews them, and he chooses them. He chooses them, and he chews them. Those chestnuts, cheddar cheese and chives, and cheery charming chunks.
Wonderful. Do another one.
Moses supposes his toes are roses, but Moses supposes erroneously. But Moses, he knows that his toes aren't roses, as Moses supposes his toes to be.
Moses supposes his toes are roses, but Moses supposes erroneously. But Moses, he knows that his toes aren't roses, as Moses supposes his toes to be. Moses supposes his toes are roses, but Moses supposes erroneously. A Mose is a Mose, a rose is a rose, a toes is a toes. Hoop-dee-doo-doo. As Moses supposes his toes is to be